I'm about to go buy a new toy. I'm gonna show you that new toy later, but in just 1 month, I was able to buy whatever I wanted to buy. If you have a liking for any one of these shoes, comment below. Send me your Instagram. Put your Instagram in there first. Tell me what shoe you want, and I will definitely hit you up from your Instagram, from my Instagram, which is Lavanzel, Lavanzel. Whoa, what is good, my Motivate crew? It is your boy. Begins with the L, ends with the L, Lavanzel. You already know. So look, today is the final day to show y'all in 30 days. So I started 30 days ago. You can go back and you can watch that video. And I said in 30 days I'm gonna come back, which technically supposed to be yesterday, but it was the end of the day. So this is the beginning of the new day. And it is 30 days later. I said that in 30 days, with just off cutting hair alone, that I was able to make $20,000 in 1 month. 20,000. I only worked 4 days out of the week. Well, I'm not even gonna call it work, because it's fun to be in a barbershop. It's not really work for me. You know, you around good people, you laughing, you joking, and you know it makes your day go by fast. I only work 4 days out of the week, sometimes 3 out of them last 30 days. I think 1 week I only worked 3 days out of the week, and then on one of those 3 days it was only for like 3 or 4 hours in the shop, and then I had to go do other stuff. But I'm gonna give you a breakdown of how it went and how I made $20,000 with just cutting hair. Right, so look, check this out. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna open up my calculator. Now I'm gonna break this down to you guys. And now remember, this is for, I wouldn't say like a new barber, but I'm just showing you what you can work up to, because it's a little bit different for newer barbers just coming into the game, but you can make it work. If you're not technically in a barbershop and you know you're in a neighborhood, you're in an apartment complex. That's how I started. But back in the day, I had an apartment complex. It was in the hood, and this apartment complex had almost 400 people in it. So I would literally go to every door and I was cutting everybody in the apartment complex, from old to teenagers to even the babies. I didn't like cutting the babies, but I was doing it. Now look, I'm in a barbershop. Have two barbershops, and in the barbershop our cuts are $50 a head, right? You get the whole full experience. Now in my time, I don't really cut babies and kids. You have to be at least 16 and up for me to cut your hair. I don't know. I just came to that point where I didn't want to have to, you know, deal with the kids moving and doing all of that crazy stuff in the chair anymore. Now you have to start with that. That's something you have to, you know, begin with. As a beginning barber, you have to go through those stages. But let's map this out, right? So $50 a haircut, right? And say you cut 8 people in a day. That's on average 8 people in a day. So like say today I'm going to the barbershop right now. I have 7 people lined up. So on average I might cut 1 more if it's a walk-in, but all these are strictly appointments and they're already paid for. These people who book me have already paid through my booking app, and I already have that money, so now I'm obligated to them to go cut their hair. So $50 in one day, each haircut. You cut 8 heads, that's $400, right? So today I'm gonna make on average a $400 hit in just a few hours. Now you have $400 times 4 days out of the week, right? So in that time, you're making $1,600 for the week. Now, you 16 times 4 in the week, you're making $6,400, right? Now, you add all that up and you're banking now. So with that plus doing the house calls, so my house calls are $200. Within that time, at the end of the day, I might get 2 or 3 house calls. So I have to travel to different locations. So with that in the day, if I'm making $600 at the shop in a day just cutting regular heads, plus at least 2 or 3 house calls, that's almost $1,200 in a day, just literally cutting heads. I travel within a 20-mile radius. Anything outside of that, of course, is gonna be extra. If I gotta get on a plane and travel to you, they're gonna pay for that plane ticket, and you know, they're gonna pay the amount that it costs extra to travel outside of, you know, my 20-mile radius, or I'm gonna say my jurisdiction. So it can be done. You just basically gotta put in the hustle. You gotta make it, you gotta not turn it into work. Make it a fun hustle, because it definitely is a fun hustle. And right now, like I said, 20,000. I'm about to take this. I just took this out of the bank. I'm about to go buy a new toy. I'm gonna show you that new toy later, but in just 1 month, I was able to buy whatever I wanted to buy. You got to have a hustle, and you got to stay consistent with that hustle. It is possible. I keep telling people it is possible. And of course, I don't only have one stream of revenue. I have multiple stream of revenues with my vending machines. Not regular vending machines. I have the Golden Key vending machines. I'm not really a fan of doing the food vending machines. That's just not my thing. But the Golden Key vending machines, I have 3 of those here. I have another 2 in New Orleans. I have 4 more in Texas. So those, at least every machine brings in at least another 2,000 extra a month. So with all those machines added, that's another extra 2,000 from each single one of them. 2,000. So it's all type of stream of revenues. I might invest in some crypto. I don't really care for the stock market and all of that, but I might invest in some crypto if it's a good season and I know something is about to hit. I'm gonna invest a lump sum and I'm gonna just let it sit. Even if I lose $300 or $400 by just letting it sit, if it hit, you're not even gonna miss that $300-400 because it's gonna hit for a lump sum amount. You won't even think about that $300-400. So it just depends on how you do it. Make it a hustle. Turn your hustle into something fun. Start your YouTube channel. And see, I started my YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel is actually doing pretty good. It's just something that I like to do now because I get to show other people instead of just kind of like keeping it all bottled up, which I don't care. I don't mind keeping it all bottled up because, you know, they say you gotta pay for the game. But technically, y'all are paying for the game, because whenever y'all watch this, you saw the ad in the beginning, and you might see an ad right about now. Then, told you, did you see an ad? Did you see an ad? Thumbs up if you just saw an ad. Comment below if I said you see an ad right now and you actually saw the ad. That'll be dope if it actually landed right on that time. But, like I was saying, make it a hustle. So I'm about to go to the barbershop right now. And look, I got a little area with a bunch of new shoes in it. I'm gonna be giving away these shoes for free. I'm gonna give them away because I have a whole shitload of shoes. I have a lot of shoes. These are not really my size. Maybe like 2 are my size, but I bought them and I didn't really like them. I might have worn them maybe like 1 time, if that. If I did, I gotta look at them to make sure to see if I wore them. But I'm giving them away, so I'm giving them away to my subscribers. What I'm gonna do is, anybody that sees these shoes and you comment whatever shoe you see that you like, just let me know, and I'm gonna get back to you out of the comments, and I'm gonna hit you up direct message off YouTube. Anybody else that's sending you some random YouTube stuff about anything free is not me. I will definitely hit you up. I will ask for your Instagram, and I will DM you from my Instagram, which is Lavanzel as well. There is no underscore, no nothing, just straight Lavanzel, Lavanzel from Instagram. I will hit you up off Instagram, and I will let you know how to send it to you, how to get it, and I will definitely send you the free shoes. But you got to be one of the first to comment on whatever shoe you about to see. So I'm about to head to the shop right now, and I'm gonna show y'all the shoes. So stay on point. So look, as promised, there you have it. I'm gonna show y'all all these shoes of what I have left, because I'm finna refill this whole situation. So if you have a liking for any one of these shoes, and I might have some more in the box over there, if you have a liking for any one of these shoes, comment below, send me your Instagram, put your Instagram in there first, tell me what shoe you want, and I will definitely hit you up from your Instagram, my Instagram, which is LAVANZ as in zebra, EL, Lavanzel. I'm gonna put it right there for y'all so y'all can see my actual Instagram name. Ain't no underscore, ain't nobody else for the DM you except for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all these shoes, and if y'all like them, let me know. I'm giving them away for free, dead ass, for free. I'm gonna send it to you. So let's go through here. Got these one time, you already know. Lows with the gummy at the bottom. You know what I mean? Put that here. We got these. I'm not really a fan of these, but I know some people like them. But hey, if you like them, go ahead, give me a highlight. Then we got the ones. I'm a big fan of the ones. Of course, I got some on my feet, of course. SB. But these are kind of similar to the ones I have. I have the mids on. These are the actual highs. And you see the colorway is a little bit different. This has some white on the outside. This has white just right here. So that's 9.5. That's a 9. Then I know y'all is a fan of these dope colorways. Get at me if you want them. Get at me if you want. Look at this colorway, bro. This is a dope colorway. Now I'm not too much of a fan of, you know, the lows. I don't really care for the low top shoes. I like some, don't get me wrong, but this is a dope colorway. You could literally probably wear anything with this and get away with it. This is also another dope colorway. Look at that. Look at that. Bro, these are sick. I'm giving this away, and if you can come close and you see this, this has the right there. Yeah. See, that material is different. You know what I'm saying? Nice. And these are straight from the Nike truck. These were never in the stores. Never in the stores. Straight off the Nike truck. I bought a shitload straight from him. Can't give y'all no names. You know what I'm saying? Get at me if you want any of these. Then you got the McDonald SBs. Yeah. Well, somebody might want them. I'm not really a fan of them, but they look good in my collection just with all the other stuff. Nope, not giving away any of the hats. If if y'all do want some hats, I'll get some more hats that I will be giving away. But I really like my hats. I really want to give them away. What do I got in this box? Oh, these are some SBs. These some white, the regular white ones. Well, see what it is. Any one of these y'all want? Comment. Let me know. I got some more here. A few more in the boxes. A lot of these are just the one pair to the other pair that's on the top. Oh, I got these ones are in the vending machines. Yeah, I'll give these away too. If y'all want them, I'll go ahead. I'll give these away too. Make sure y'all describe exactly what y'all want. These are dope at the bottom. They kind of look like, you know, that bagel with everything in it, the everything bagel. That's what they look like at the bottom. These are super sick. I like that. These are super dope. Okay, those. Anything y'all see, let me know. Oh, listen, please. There's some dope hoodies out here. Check these out. Super, super sick. Super, super sick. Can't go wrong with that. On the field, you know what I mean? So, okay, I know those are up there, those are up there. Those are the ones right there. Okay. Holla at me. I know you like them. Some people like them. Get at me. And got the dope art. This is one of my little art pieces. If you're interested, get at me. I'll send it to you. Just gotta let me know exactly what you want and go from there. So, like I said again, make sure hit me up in the comment, and if you're the first one that I see in the comments, I'm gonna hit you up on your Instagram. You gotta comment below your Instagram, whatever shoe you're interested in, and don't put your personal information in these comments. I'm gonna directly hit you up, and everything is for free. I'm just giving it away. I will send it to you as long as you're in the States. If you're in the States, I can send it to you. If you're out of the States, I don't know. Still comment below. Let me know what you want. And if you're first, I'll make it a way to get to you. But yeah, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at LAVANZEL. Giving away some free stuff. Get at me and let me know how you feel about it. Yay, yay, yay.